Srimatre Namaha. Welcome to Satsang with Grandma. Today we are doing Shankaracharya Virachita Saundarya Lahari, 37th shloka, talking about Shat Chakras. Now let us chant together. Vishuddhau te shuddhas patika vishadam vyoma janakam Sivam seve devimapi siva samana vyavasitam Yayo kantya yantya sesikiran sarupya saranehe vidhutam tardhvam ta vilasati chakoriva jagati. Now this whole thing will go visualization, 4-step process. Visualization, developing the connection, location and meditation. First location, this Vishuddhi Chakra is at the throat place. These are all energy centers. This is the awakening process. Energy centers in us. The way we need to visualize is, I feel like there is a lotus. Before sadhana, this is like a bud closed up. With the sadhana, with the knowledge, with the devotion, with yoga marga, path of yoga, slowly that we need to visualize that lotus starts blooming. Full bloom lotus. This is how we need to visualize. This is a lotus. Here is 16 petals lotus. One lotus with 16 petals. That is what Vishuddhi Chakra means, throat center. Now let us see the shloka. Vishuddhau te shuddhas patika vishadam vyoma janakam. This Vishuddhi Chakra, the representation of Akasha Tattvam. Vyoma means Akasha, means space. The cause for the space is Lord Shiva. That is why this mother and father are called Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati are called Vyomakeshwara and Vyomakeshi. Shiva is Shuddha Spatika Sankasham Panchavaktram Trinetram, very white. So he means both of them together is the cause for space. In our 5 elements, space is the first one. This is the cause for space. And then they both are in Vyomakesha, Vyomakeshi. We saw that. And then we need to meditate like how Shashikirana Sarupya Saranehe. Shashi means moon. Moon rays means Vennela Kanti, Jyotsna Kanti, that brilliance. That whole world is filled with Jyotsna Kanti. That brilliance, radiance, when we meditate like that, what happens? Vidhuta antardhvanta, destroys that inner ignorance, the darkness. What is the inner ignorance? Not knowing who we are. That is inner ignorance. For example, outer ignorance will go away when sun comes out. But inner ignorance will go away with visualization, meditation on mother and father, Vyomakesha, Vyomakeshi. So then what is the results? When the moonlight comes, that Vennela comes, moon rays showers on the earth, that Chakora bird will get delighted, feels happy. In the same way, when mother thought enters into our hearts, we feel that joy, happiness and bliss, and we know who we are. This is the awakening process. All 16 petals will be blossomed fully, and then we can see the full blossom lotus. We feel that Amrita Dhara, that nectar, that brilliance. This is the essence of shloka. Now let us see according to Lalita Sahasranama what Vashinyadi Vagdevatas and Vyasa Bhagavan is talking about. Now here Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya Rakta Varna Trilochana Khatvangadi Praharana Vadanaika Samanvita Payasana Priyatvaksta Pashuloka Bhayankari Amrutadi Mahashakti Samruta Dhakiniswari. That's how it goes. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya means at the throat center. That is what Vishuddhi Chakram. And then the whole Chakram Adhisthana Devata is Vajreshwari. This is the speech area. When this lotus, this area get purified, our speech will be pure and clear, crystal clear. People want to hear to our speech. They will get charismatic power. So that is what Vishuddhi Chakra. Abja means lotus. And then Vadanaika Samanvita means according to pregnant ladies, this is the first month. At this place, pregnant ladies, baby enter into first month. But according to elements, this is the space. We are seeing both. And then Vadanaika Samanvita. Then the offering is Payasana Priya, means milk pudding made out of cow milk. Then offer it to mother, give it to the pregnant lady. Then what happens? The baby will grow very well. This the month the baby develops the mouth, that is the Jnanendriyam. Then Tvak means skin, that is both of them will develop for the pregnant lady according to Lalita Sahasranama. Then in 16 petals we need to visualize Devi, Amrutadi Mahashakti, Amruta Adi. This according to letters, they are the vowels are there. A, I, I, U, U, Ru, Lu, Lu, E, I, Au, Ha. All these 16 letters. We are seeing the elements, and then we are seeing the pregnant lady for the embryo baby, and then which month, and then what is the offering, what is the organs of action, organs of perception is formed in that month, and then letters. So much knowledge is there. This is for awakening, inner awakening. For we get bliss and joy, and then we know who we are. Now let us see the Devatas. Visualize that each Devata, Devi is sitting in the petals, 16 petals. Amruta, Akarshini, Indrani, Ishani, Vushakesi, Urdhva, Ruddhita, Rukara, Ekapada, Aishwarya, Omkari, Aushadhi, Ambika, Ahakshara, Aha. All the vowels are there. This is how we need to visualize. And then we saw this here is the space letter. The color of this chakra is blue. And then Ham is the Bijaksharam. And then Dakiniswari. Dakini means that mantra has Shakti, Bijam, Kilakam, 3 parts. All of them starts with the letter Da. That is why Dakinishwari. So now we saw all the elements, all the essence of the shloka. Now let us chant it together. 37th shloka. Vishuddhau te shuddha spatika vishadam vyoma janakam shivam seve devim api siva samana vyavasitam yayo kantya yantya sisikirana sarupya sarane vidhutantardhvanta vilasati chakoriva jagati. Om Sri Matre Namaha.